Samsung A22 power button jumper, easy way repair. See how to repair Samsung A22 power button not working repair. See this button, see copper construction from this way. Power button repair, power not working. Samsung A22 power button repair, easy way repair. Samsung A51 M32 A22 power button not working, easy way repair. Samsung not working power button repair. Samsung A22 very easy, 100% working repair. Samsung A22 100% no power button not working repair. Don't forget subscribe my channel for more video. Samsung, how to repair Samsung power button not working. Samsung A22 A0 power button. Don't forget subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching my video. This is very easy way to repair Samsung A22 power button fingerprint not working, 100% working. Thank you for watching my video. Samsung A22, it is very easy to repair.